Hello students, I am Professor Maski Baby from Sir Sundarbai Manik Arsul Polytechnic, Chas, Ahmednagar. His subject is Basic Mathematics. Diploma first year subject is Basic Mathematics. Chapter Determinants. We know that previous standard, that is 10th standard, we know order 2. What is the exact meaning of determinant? Definition of determinants. Determinants are arrangements of n by n numbers, may be real, imaginary or complex, is equal number of rows and columns enclosed between a pair of bar brackets. It is denoted by letter D or by a symbol. It is denoted by letter D by a symbol or a symbol. Determinants, arrangements of n by n numbers, same number. Here D equal to A, B, C, D. Determinants are arrangements of n by n numbers like this. D equal to bar brackets, vertical brackets A, B, C and D. These are the elements. Members, number, it may be real, imaginary or complex. D equal to A, B, C and D. It is known as diagonal. It is known as anti-diagonal. A and D diagonal and D is equal B and C, it is anti-diagonal. Here is AD diagonal, here is anti-diagonal. D equal to AB, CD. AB, CD. Simple examples. First one, find D if D equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2 multiply 5 minus 3 multiply 4 equal to 10 minus 12. What is the answer of this? Minus 2. Therefore, D equal to, what is the answer of this? Minus 2. We know that in 10th standard, D is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 into 5, 10 minus 12. What is the answer of this? Minus 2. Second example, find D if D equal to 5, 6 minus 3, 7. 5, 6 minus 3, 7. 5, 6 minus 3, 7. As it is, D equal to 5, 6 minus 3, 7. Equal to 5, 6 minus 3, 7 is multiply 5 multiply 7 minus 6 multiply bracket minus 3. What is the answer of this? 35 minus minus plus 18. What is the calculation of this? 8 5 8 plus 5 13, 13 is 3, carry 1, 3 plus 2, that is 5. D equal to 53. Simple examples, find D. Already studied in previous standard, that is 10th standard. Then order 3. Order 3. Order 3. Order 3. You have solved the determinants of order 3. Example, if d equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Example, if d equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Solve this. D equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Find D. Therefore, the given value is, what is the given value? T equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How to calculate? Listen here. 1. First row, first column. This is the first row, first column. You have eliminate this. First row, first column. You have eliminate this. 5 6 8 9. Minus 2. Sign convention, here is plus, here is minus, here is plus. Always remember, plus minus plus. D equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Always remember, plus minus plus. 1. First row, first column is eliminate. Then minus 2. Here is second column and first row. First you have consider first row, second column. Eliminate this. Then what is the remaining? 4 6 7 9. Plus 3. First row, third column. First row, third column. Eliminate 4 5 7 8. 4 5 7 8. Then calculate this. 1 in bracket 45 48 minus 2 36 42 plus 3 32 minus 35 equal to 1 in bracket. What is the answer of this? Minus 3 minus 2 in bracket 36 minus 42. What is the answer of this? Minus 6 plus 3 in bracket minus 3. Subtraction this. 45 minus 48, that is minus 3. 36 minus 48, that is minus 6. 32 minus 35 is minus 3. What is the answer of this? Minus 3 plus 12 minus 9. That is minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, D equal to 0. Therefore, D equal to 0. Hello friends. Example, evaluate 1 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 4 0 1. Let D equal to, as it is, 1 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 4 0 1. 4 0 1. 1. First row, first column. Sign convention is plus minus plus. Plus minus plus. First row, first column, you have eliminate this. Minus 1 2 0 1. Minus 1 2 0 1. Minus 2. Minus 2. First row, first column, eliminate this. 3 2 4 1. Minus 1. 3 minus 1 4 0. 3 minus 1 4 0 equal to 1 in bracket. Calculate this. Minus 1 minus 0 minus 2 in bracket 3 minus 8 minus 1 in bracket 0 minus minus plus 4. Here is minus, formula 1 minus equal to 1 in bracket minus 1 minus 2 in bracket 3 minus 8 that is minus 5 minus 1 that is 4. What is the answer of this? Minus 1 minus minus plus 10 minus 4. 10 minus 5 plus 10 that is final answer is 10. D is equal to 10. Calculate this. D is equal to 10. Simple example, evaluate order 3 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 4 0 1. Let D equal to, sign convention always plus minus plus plus minus plus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 4 0. Simplify this, get the answer D equal to 10. D equal to minus 5 plus 10 that is 5 minus 5 plus 10 that is 5. Expand 3 2 1 1 2 3 3 3 1. Expand 3 2 1 1 2 3 3 3 1. Expand, let D equal to as it is 3 2 1 1 2 3 3 3 1. Simplify here 3 as it is. First row, first column. You are eliminated. First row, first column. What is the answer of these? 2 3 3 1. Minus 2. First row, second column. Then first row, second column. Eliminate 1 3 3 1 plus 1. Kind first row, third column. You have eliminate this 1 2 3 3 equal to 3 in bracket 2 ones are 2 minus 9 minus 2 in bracket 1 minus 9 plus 1 in bracket 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 equal to 3 as it is. 2 minus 9. What is the answer of 2 minus 9? That is minus 7 minus 2 in bracket 1 minus 9 that is minus 8 plus 1 in bracket 3 minus 6 that is minus 3 equal to minus 21 plus 16 minus 3. Minus 21 plus 16 minus 3. Minus 21 minus 3 that is minus 24 plus 16. What is the answer of these? Minus 8. D is equal to minus 8. D equal to minus 8. D equal to minus 8. Next, find the value of two minus 1 3 minus 1 2 4 5 1 3. Here find the value of 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 4 5 1 3. Let D equal to as it is 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 4 5 1 3. 2 फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे 2 4 1 3 मायनस ऑफ मायनस 1 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे -1 4 5 3 प्लस 3 फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम एलिमिनेट करायचं आहे -1 2 5 1 -1 2 5 1 very simple calculation 2 in bracket basic calculation what is the answer of this 2 in bracket 3 2s are 6 -4 minus minus plus 1 -3 -20 plus 3 in bracket then calculation again -1 -10 -1 -10 equal to 2 in bracket 6 minus 4 what is the answer of this 2 plus 1 minus 23 plus 3 minus 11 equal to 4 minus 23 minus 33 equal to 4 minus 23 minus 33 equal to what is the answer of this calculate this 4 as it is minus 5 6 3 plus 3 6 3 2 6 what is the calculation of 3 plus 2 5 4 minus 56 get the answer is minus 52 d is equal to get the answer is minus 52